we're showing you guys how to make cloud dough. This dough is so soft and it smells amazing. And this recipe only takes 3 ingredients: cornstarch, lotion, and paint. Any color of your choice. And if you're new to our show, hi, I'm Riley. I'm Reese. And I'm Grace. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. For more videos in the future, make sure to hit that notification bell. Now on to the video. The things you'll be needing to make cloud dough are half a cup of lotion, 1 cup of cornstarch, paint of your choice, and a mixing bowl. So the first step to make cloud dough is to take half a cup of lotion and put it into your bowl. Sounds like someone's. Make sure you get the cheap brand from the store so you're not wasting your good stuff. The next step is to put your paint into your lotion. I'm doing green, I'm doing pink, and I'm doing yellow. You can do however many squirts you want, it really doesn't matter. Yeah, but the cornstarch will make your cloud dough lighter. The next step is to take 1 cup of cornstarch and put it in your mixture. Take it out of the bag. It's okay, guys, it's supposed to be like that. Now we're just going to mix. Don't be afraid to get messy, kids. That sounded so animated. Mom, it looks like eggs. Once your mixture starts to look like this, it's time to put your hands in. Oh. If you're kneading your mixture and it starts to feel a little bit sticky, like it's sticking to your hands, you should add a little bit more cornstarch. Mom, mine's not feeling sticky. It's feeling wet. It'll look like this. What? Mom, I need cornstarch. What did you guys do? Mine is too liquidy, so I'm going to add more cornstarch. And mine's way too crumbly, so mine is perfect. Hey guys, welcome back to the Kids Crafting Championship. Guys, I look over at Brenda's plate and hers isn't going so well. Then I look over at Kashi's plate and hers is really good. So I'm thinking, oh my gosh, what is going on with mine? And I'm just not going good right now. Kashi's is looking perfect and pink, and mine is just looking crumbly and disgusting. Mom, my eggs are scrambled. And the winner of the Kids Crumpet Championship goes to Riley. Can I say something? And when you're kneading your, what's it called? And when you're kneading your cloud dough, and when you're kneading your cloud dough, you should really squeeze it. That sounded bad, okay. It's 11:50. And the next step is to put your paint into your lotion. I'm doing green, I'm doing pink, and I'm doing yellow.
Can you say that? Riley or Grace? Grace, why are you so shy? Are you just disappointed that you're just crumbling?
Yeah.
Okay, well don't